In the history of warfare, every revolution has been defined by a new weapon. The longbow, gunpowder, the atomic bomb. But the next revolution is already here, and it's not made of steel or explosives, it's made of code. Welcome to the age of the autonomous weapon, where algorithms make life and death decisions, and the battlefield is run by artificial intelligence. For decades, this was the stuff of science fiction. Now, it's terrifyingly real. All around the world, hidden from public view, a new global arms race is accelerating. Nations are pouring billions into developing AI-powered war machines. Drones that can hunt targets for days without human intervention. Robotic tanks that patrol borders. And unseen, unheard, cyber weapons that can cripple a nation's infrastructure in seconds. This isn't a future threat. It's happening right now, think about it. AI is already changing how we live, but on the battlefield, the stakes are infinitely higher. We're talking about systems that can analyze thousands of data streams at once, satellite imagery, communications, sensor data to identify and track targets with terrifying precision. Militaries see this as the ultimate advantage: faster, more efficient, and seemingly less risky for their own soldiers. But what happens when the human is taken out of the loop? Consider the ethical nightmare. Can an algorithm truly understand the value of a human life? Can it distinguish between a soldier and a civilian in the chaos of battle? We're already seeing controversial case studies emerge from conflict zones, reports of AI-guided systems operating in a fire-and-forget mode. These aren't just weapons, they are autonomous decision-makers. The soldier's moral compass, their intuition, their humanity is replaced by lines of code. And if that code is flawed or hacked, the consequences could be catastrophic. Imagine a swarm of thousands of tiny, autonomous drones, each armed with a small explosive charge, programmed with a single objective. They can't be jammed, they can't be reasoned with. They move faster than any human could react. This isn't a scene from a blockbuster movie, it's a technology that exists today. It's cheap, scalable, and a weapon of mass destruction in the making. The potential for escalation is unprecedented. A skirmish triggered by an AI could spiral into a full-scale war in minutes, before diplomats even have time to pick up the phone. The geopolitical landscape is being redrawn. The nations that master AI warfare will hold immense power over those that don't. It's a race for dominance, and the finish line is a world where machines can kill without human oversight. This raises a terrifying question. What happens when these systems make a mistake? Who is held responsible? The programmer, the commander, the machine itself? There are no easy answers. We are sleepwalking into a future where the most critical decision a human can make, the decision to take a life, is outsourced to a non-human intelligence. This is a conversation we can no longer afford to ignore. Scientists, AI experts, and even military insiders are sounding the alarm, calling for international treaties to ban lethal autonomous weapons before it's too late. The line between a tool that assists a soldier and a machine that replaces them is being crossed. We stand at a critical juncture. Do we allow the creation of a world where algorithms have a license to kill, or do we pull back from the brink? The choice we make in the next few years will define the future of warfare and perhaps the future of humanity itself. The clock is ticking, the code is being written, and the silent war for our future is already underway. It's vital that we understand what's at stake. Share this video, start the conversation, and demand action before the machines make the decisions for us. Thanks for watching.